boys and girls. Today we're going on a discovery trip around Costa Rica. Come on! Let's explore the fabulous flora and fauna. Let's explore. Open your eyes, listen, and say it. Welcome to Costa Rica. Here you can see animals and plants. Oh, what is that sound? To your right, there is a bird. It's a scarlet macaw. Wow, it's so big and cool. Let's keep going. Can you listen to the river? What animals are in the river? The frogs and the fishes live in the water. That's right. Wait, what are those animals on the trees? Open your eyes. There are monkeys. They like to eat fruits and leaves. Okay, let's move on. Wait, did you hear that? Yes. Stop. Don't move. It's a snake. Be careful. What a great trip we had today. It's dark. The sun is setting. Did you have fun? Because I did. What was your favorite animal? Do you know all of them? Well, I'm gonna go now. I have to go to the desert tomorrow, and I have to prepare some things. See you later, alligator.